steal my voters, will you? Hey, look, you're the families.
Sarlacc pit. After a B. Sarlacc pit. After a B. Can build new bodies. They're gonna build Chewie. This really can build new bodies.
I'm listening, but there's no sound. Isn't anyone?
And do a hard cut. And do a hard cut. Cut.
All right, Granny's boy. Let's see what you can do. What you can.
I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Yeah, I could use it.
Good villain needs it. Good villain needs it.
I was listening to that.
Yeah, I was listening to that.
Plowing's all done. Now to the polls. Oh, but it's fun.